Hello everyone, I'm Kevin Paul Vidad and this is my project Arduino Biometric Authentication Door Lock. Just for the introduction, electronics technology has improved over the years. They allow any devices to make our lives easier. Using biometric is one of the best ideas in terms of safety. Arduino Biometric Authentication Door Lock project is very accessible. As technology advances, biometric locks are founded on the right principle that each person has a unique set of features. Identification through fingerprints is the most widespread and accessible. For the microprocessor, I use Arduino Uno R3 at Mega 328P. It has 14 digital input-output pins, which can be used as 6 outputs of PWM, 6 analog inputs, a USB connection, and it contains everything needed to support microcontroller. Simply connect it to a computer with a USB cable or power it with the AC/DC adapter or battery to get started. Next, I have here my fingerprint sensor R307 from Adafruit. It is a type of technology that identifies and authenticates the fingerprints of an individual to grant or deny access to a computer system or a physical facility. It consists of high-speed DSP processor, high-performance fingerprint alignment algorithm, high-capacity flash chips, and other hardware and software composition. Stable performance, simple structure with fingerprint entry image processing, fingerprint matching, search and template storage, and other functions. Next, LCD display. It also has a resolution of 480 by 320 pixels and works at 3.3 volts to 5 volts DC that can be powered by Arduino Uno. Next is 12 volts DC door lock solenoid, designed for a basic cabinet, safe, or door. When 9 to 12 volts DC is applied, the slug pulse is so it does not stick out and the door can be opened. And this is my final output for my project Arduino Biometric Authentication Door Lock project. So let's give it a try.